AestheticWhisper. I know it's been quite a while since I made a video. I guess the main reason is I've been up at the cottage. My parents just bought a cottage. I'm actually here right now at the cottage. I'm just kind of laying in bed right now. It's pretty late, and just was listening to a few whisper videos and decided that it was time I made a new one. But yeah, my parents just bought a cottage a couple weeks ago, and we've been coming up here every weekend. So it's a lot of time. It's been working during the weekdays and then up at the cottage at the weekends, which doesn't give me a lot of time to make whisper videos. I've been listening to a lot of whisper videos, which is good, but just not as much making my own. Another thing that's new is I finished my novel. It's kind of exciting saying that. It's finally done after 2.5 years of writing. So I've been doing a lot of editing on it and getting a lot of people to edit it for me. So that's been taking up some time too. It's kind of interesting going back to read read my own writing from 2 years ago and how much it's changed compared to my writing now, which is so much more mature. But it's kind of interesting to see the difference there. Like I said, I'm up at the cottage right now. I'm right now. I'm just kind of in my room. I'm laying in my bed, and it's just after midnight. It's kind of odd. I'm used to doing my whisper videos really late at night, like 2 in the morning, but the cottage just seems to make you want to go to sleep a lot earlier and wake up earlier as well. I don't know if that's just the atmosphere, but I love the cottage. It's such almost an escape from the stress of life. I mean, we actually have to take a boat out to our cottage. You can't get there by car or vehicle, so we take a boat out here, and I mean, as soon as I step into that boat and onto the waves, the waves just kind of wash my stress away. I mean, it's the greatest, even if you try and think about, stuff that's happening back at home, it's just impossible. Just because you're so relaxed and the solitude and seclusion of is just so good at putting people in a good mood. I don't really know how he does it. I mean, he's hilarious for one thing, but it's just impossible to be angry around him. He's such an awesome kid. But nevertheless, my family and I are still having a great time. My grandparents came up today to just kind of check it out and see what's going on. We took a tour of the lake on our boat, which was a lot of fun. I love driving the boat with the wind blowing on your face and stuff. Oh, I love it. But yeah, just having a cottage is just great. I always kind of, I like to daydream a lot. I always kind of visualize my stress as like deformities or like cuts or just I always kind of imagine that my stress